We rent a very old and very small house, and there's no vent in the kitchen, and so whenever we cook, it sets off the smoke alarm, which is totally annoying. So I wanted to get some sort of portable ventilation. I got the Stove Buddy, and I love it so much. It's super easy to use. You just plug it in and then put it on the countertop next to whatever needs venting, and it just sucks up any of the fumes, any of the smells. There's 3 settings: low, medium, high. It's really quiet too, which is great. And so I use it every morning because I always like to make oatmeal and pancakes, and it always sets off the alarms. And now with the Stove Buddy, the alarm never goes off. It's so nice. Let me show you how to put it together. It has 4 filters and then a grease compartment that you have to clean out. I followed this diagram to put it together. And so basically there's these 2 carbon filters that come in a separate package, and it almost looks like one filter, but it's actually 2 filters. And then there's the grease filter and the polymer filter. So you need to put it together in this order. The grease filter and the polymer filter are already together. So you take this whole contraption out and then you add in the 2 carbon filters. The polymer filter is last, and then you gently put it back together. It snaps together, and then you just put it back into the fan. It's kind of has like an angle to it, and so the lower angle points down towards whatever you're cooking or whatever needs ventilation, and then there's a fan on the back side that blows the air out. And the built-in oil extractor filter catches grease and oil particles, which will prevent them from spreading and sticking to your kitchen surfaces. So this will actually help you with your cleanup time. I could see this in an RV or any small kitchen space, maybe a dorm room. I just love the way it looks. It has this adorable little logo on it, and it matches any kitchen decor. And if you don't need it, you could easily just unplug it, wrap it up, and put it on the shelf or in the cabinet or something. But it really has made a huge difference in my house. I'm so happy I got it because now I can cook my favorite breakfast, my favorite meals, without having to open the door and use the broom to vent out the place. So why wait? Upgrade your kitchen with the Stove Buddy, the ultimate portable range hood solution. Say goodbye to smoke, odors, and greasy messes. Get your Stove Buddy today.